Hello friends, I am Ayush and I am back with my new video in which I will start matrices of class 12. Today I will start the chapter matrices, the plural of matrix. The chapter matrix or the matrix is useful in many fields of mathematics. In fact, we can say that matrix is a very powerful method in mathematics. For example, it is used in solving many types of pair of linear equations, and not only in writing the coefficients of pair of linear equations. It is also used in spreadsheet program of personal computer and cryptography and many more, like in biology and biological experiments also it is used. So it is very widespread use of matrix. So first we have to know that what is matrix, what is the basic concept of matrix, so that we learn in mathematics. So today I will start that only. So in matrix, suppose we have any data that Radha has 10 15 notebooks, then we have this information. Then if we have to represent this information in the form of matrix, then we can write it like this, that square brackets and 15. Here 15 is the number of notebooks Radha has, that is 15. So we have to understand that here in the square bracket it is written 15. So Radha has 15 notebooks. Here this square bracket is the symbol of matrix. Matrix is represented as a as a square brackets. So let's take some more examples of information. So let's take Radha has Radha, Ram, and Shyam. Then let Radha have here notebooks. Here I will write notebooks, number of notebooks they have, and here I will write number of pens they have. Let's suppose Radha has 10 notebooks, and pens she has let's suppose 5. Ram has 9 notebooks and 10 pens, and Shyam has equal number of notebooks and pens, 5. Now if we have to if we have to represent this information in the form of matrix, then we will not do anything. We will simply write it like this, and we will put here these type of square brackets, and this is our matrix form of this information. Now some we now say that see we will see that what is the order of matrix, how are matrix written, and more. First of all, we will see order of matrix. So let's suppose we have any matrix A, B, C, and dot dot dot. Here also B1, C1, A1, B2, C2, and dot dot dot, and like this. So we can here we if we write any matrix, then it is necessary to write its order here, that is R into C, row into column. This R is row and this column C is column. Now here what is row and what is column? Then if we take these type of horizontal lines, then these are rows. These are rows. Now if we take these elements, then these are columns. And here if we write order, then we have to write it in the form of this only. We cannot write it as column into R, or we have to write only row into column. So this is the order of matrix, and matrix is always represented as capital letters, like capital A or capital B or capital C, but only capital letter is used to represent any matrix. Now we will see some types of matrix. Now we will see some types of matrix. So types of matrices. Number first. Firstly, we will see the first type of matrix, that is column matrix. In column matrix, here by name only we can see that what can we call a matrix. Column means there will be any number of columns, but row will be only one, because without any row the matrix is not matrix. The matrix is not possible without any row or column. So the matrix which has only one row, this is important, only one row. If the matrix has only one row, then it is column matrix. For example, if we take this A, B, C, dot dot dot, and D. Here we can clearly see that this horizontal number of horizontal lines only one, then number of rows is 1, and columns 4. Now I have told before that it is necessary to write the matrix order. That is, number of rows is 1, so 1, and number of column is 4, so 4. So the order of this matrix is 1 into 4. The matrix, any matrix of the form 1 into C is known as column matrix. Now likewise is the row matrix, that only one column and any number of rows. Row matrix. In row matrix, only one column and any number of rows, or we can say the matrix which are of the form R into 1. For example, here I also write the matrix of the form or order. It's order R into 1. For example, A, B, C, and we always represent it by capital letter. Let's suppose A. Its order is, here I have written R into 1, then its order is 3 into 1. It's row matrix because it has only and only one column, and it can contain any number of rows, so it is row matrix. Now we will see third type of matrix, square matrix. Square matrix, in which the matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal, or we can say R equals to C. For example, if we take any matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the order of this matrix is 3 into 3. Then here we can clearly see that it's row and it's column. Here R equals to column as 3. So this is a square matrix of order 3. So here we can also write, if R equals to C, then it is a square matrix of order C or R, because both are equal. Now fourth we will see diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. The diagonal matrix is the matrix in which only the elements are present only diagonally. For example, for example 1 2 3. This is a diagonal matrix. Here we can clearly see that it's the elements are present diagonally. So this is a diagonal matrix of order 3 into 3. Now fifth, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. It is also a diagonal matrix, but all the elements except 0 are equal, should be equal. For example, here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is a scalar matrix of order 3 into 3. If we write here 2 in place of 1, then it is not a scalar matrix, it is a diagonal matrix. And the rest of the number should be 0. And no number should be written here. In case of diagonal matrix and scalar matrix also. And in scalar matrix, the elements diagonally present diagonally should also be equal. Here, which is 1. Now we will see sixth type of matrix. That is identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix. The matrix we have seen in a real numbers chapter that if in number system that if we multiply one by any number, we get that number only. In matrix also, identity matrix is like that only. If we multiply any matrix with this matrix, we will get that matrix itself. And this matrix is also defined that if we have an identity matrix of order 1, then it will be this. And identity matrix is always of the form square. And this is also a identity matrix of order 2. And this is a identity matrix of order 3. In identity matrix, we have to keep here only and only 1. This is also type of diagonal matrix, but diagonally it is only present 1. In scalar matrix, any number can be present, but all the numbers should be equal. In diagonal, any numbers can present irrespective of their values. In identity matrix, only 1 should be present and rest of the elements should be 0. And the seventh one, which is the last one, is zero matrix. Zero matrix is the matrix in which all the elements are 0. Zero matrix. This type of matrix is the matrix in which all the elements are 0. Let's see where. For example, if we take a matrix of any order and we fill only 0, then this is zero matrix, because all the elements present are 0. So these were the types of matrices. These were the 7 types of matrices that I told. Now I will tell some simple operations of matrices. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So, Types of matrices I have completed. Now some operations of matrices. Operations of matrices. Some operations of matrices. So we will see the some operations of matrices, for example addition, subtraction and multiplication, in our next video. So thank you and keep watching for our next video.